down to my favorite chicken.
I had a pretty interesting day.
Are you sure? Sorry I'm late. Honest to God, a dragon was attacking Honking, Hong Kong. I stopped Hong Kong. I stopped
His powers.
Hong Kong. I stopped it.
A dragon, nice. Mark was getting ready to tell us how interesting his day was.
Are you sure?
Guess who's
Are you sure?
pretty sure?
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Oh, that's great. Son, just great.
For sure.